Ever wondered what's the real cost of living in a well-maintained community in Dubai? Simply put, service charges are the fees you pay for the upkeep and maintenance of the building or the community where your property is located. Service charges typically cover a range of essential services, from cleaning and security to landscaping, waste management, and the maintenance of shared facilities like gyms, pools, and parking areas. These charges can vary depending on the size of your property, the location, and the level of amenities offered in your community. It's important to know that these fees are typically billed annually and can influence the overall cost of owning or renting a property in Dubai. At Coldwell Banker UAE, we can help you understand how these charges work and what to expect, so you can make an informed decision about your investment. Need more details? Check out our blog post link below.